guys, welcome back to our channel. We are just leaving Ulta. We were at the nail salon a little earlier ago, and as you can see, your girl is back. Okay, so we're about to go get some food, and then what? Oh gosh, Kim's foot is sliding because of the oil, so we're gonna take our time. So let me go, y'all.
My order from Rarefy came in. I purchased my first ring from them over the holidays, and I ordered this back June, like in the middle of June, and this just came, but I ordered bracelets with it, so I'm gonna have to contact them to see if those were out of stock or if they were forgotten, so I'll keep you guys posted. So hard to adjust them.
You've had these before?
I have other rings. I own another ring from them.
Those are pretty.
Just have to figure out how to adjust them. They're really pretty. So Keandra and I are on our way to Sephora. I forgot something on my list, so I didn't take a proper inventory of everything that I needed from Sephora, so we are on our way back to Sephora to pick up my antiperspirant by Sol de Janeiro. After that, we're gonna go to Target, and we're gonna pick up my pop socket, because last night I laid my pop socket, the magnet part, on one of the Bath and Body Works lids for the candle, and it stuck to it, and then I couldn't pull it off. When I finally was able to pull some part of it off, it broke. Like, so the pop socket part came off of the magnetic part, so I had to get another one. So that's where we're going after that, and of course we're going to take you guys along the ride. Okay guys, I got my pop socket. We just picked it up. We are about to go and get a bite to eat from, I think, Chick-fil-A, and then after that we're just gonna go home, probably unwind a little bit, and probably do a little bit of editing as well. So that's about it for the rest of the night. happy Wednesday. So Keandra and I are on our way to Sally's Beauty Supply because when I made my order a week ago, or like a week or two ago, I placed an order for like my hair color. I use a L'Oreal Preference in the Onyx color because it's like a blue black. I usually use a 10 developer for it, but they didn't have any more, so I'm going to look myself to see if they now have some in stock. And then I'll color my hair probably sometime this weekend because I think I want to wear my hair straight because we're doing tea around town this Sunday, and so I think I want to wear my hair straight for that, but I don't know yet. But I do want my hair to be black again because I like my hair black. It's like a naturally brown color, and so I want to do that. And then after that, I don't know what else we have planned, but we'll be doing something and we'll let you guys see.
Hey y'all, so we are here at the mall. We're about to go to L'Occitane and then probably just walk around just a little bit, and then we're gonna head over to this coffee shop.
Hey guys, so Keandra and I just left the mall. We were getting my lip balm. I needed some more lip balm for my nightstand. I have the one for my purse, so I think I'm gonna just swap the one that's already in my purse to my nightstand and just use this one that I just got for my purse. But then, so I got that from L'Occitane. So now that we're done with that, we're gonna go over to this new cafe that we found out about yesterday. It's called Cafe Lavande. I think it means Cafe Lavender. And we're going to go there and, you know, see what they're about actually, because it's so late in the day, so they may not have like the good stuff, but it's cute. It's supposed to be cute and stuff like that. Keandra said that she knew about it already, but when we were in Sucre yesterday, the person that works there, she said that she also works at Cafe Lavande. And she was like, it's really cute and stuff like that. So we decided to go over there. And of course, we're going to let you guys see. So Keandra and I just left Bath and Body Works. We were in the same area as the coffee.
Coffee.
So Keandra and I just left Bath and Body Works. It was in the same little area as the coffee shop that we were at. That place was really great, by the way. And so we decided to just go ahead and step in because y'all know we have a look around queens. We're going to look around. But I remembered that I needed some more hand soap because I'm running out of hand soap. I only have like 1.5 basically now left. And I think we got that stuff like about 3 weeks ago. So I decided to go ahead and re-up on some stuff. I've got like, I think 6 hand soaps. And then we each got like some body creams and body lotions. So like if you guys are like in an area that has a lot of Bath and Body Works, like the Atlanta area has a lot of Bath and Body Works. We're here like up in Alpharetta. But we decided to just get some stuff because we were like, okay, it's still like that 75% off. So they still have some of that inventory. So if you have multiple Bath and Body Works and like the one nearest you doesn't have like great stuff, go and look at another one because the one that, or the ones that we've looked at in the city, they didn't have a whole lot. But this one had a lot more. Like I got some warm vanilla sugar. Y'all know we love that one. The lotion, and that was like $3 and something. And I think it was originally like $16 or something like that. So really, really, really great deals. Of course, 75% off. You can't beat it. I think we spent like $30 something, and that stuff would have been like $100 and something. So a very great steal. We love a good deal. We love to look around. We love a great deal. We love it all. So now we're about to just go kind of walk around TJ Maxx. I promise y'all I'm not going to get anything.
We're not getting anything.
But you know what? I wanted to tell you guys about this. So you guys probably saw me trying on the Vanilla Romance perfume. I hope that it lasts because it smells divine. I'm not a huge fan of the body cream for it because the body cream, some of that stuff kind of smells plasticky to me, but the perfume smells divine. So I'm hoping that it lasts because I might go back and get it. And it just smells so grown, sophisticated. And I don't smell the vanilla on it. I don't smell the vanilla, but it just smells amazing. So if you ever step in Bath and Body Works, check that one out too, because like I said, it smells really good. Okay, y'all, so we are up here by TJ Maxx. We decided to come over here first. Y'all, look at this. This is a tiny little IKEA. I asked Keandra, I said, what is this, the outlet? But I was like, IKEA is the outlet. So, but this looks like a little miniature IKEA up here in Alpharetta. I said, these people have everything. So, one day we're gonna come up here and take a look around and see. It looks like they have some of the same stuff. Probably like their most popular things are probably in there. But yeah, I didn't even know this existed. All I know of is the IKEA that's like in the Atlantic Station area.